You may have noticed other meta tags being used for SEO, and in fact it used to be popular to put keywords into various meta tags under the theory that the search engines would see more useful keywords scattered around the page. This quite likely never really worked, and certainly doesn't work today. There are a small number of SEO-related meta tags, and although there are often good reasons to use other meta tags, they don't do anything from an SEO perspective. There are the keywords and description tags, which we've already looked at, and the title tag, which technically isn't a meta tag, but is often grouped in with them. Then there's the robots meta tag, which we'll be looking at a little later in this course. This tag can be used to block certain areas from search engine indexing. Then there's a few Google-specific meta tags: no site link search box, no translate, Google site verification, and Googlebot. If you want to learn more about these Google tags, take a look at this page. With the exception of Google site verification, which we'll learn about in the lesson on the Google Webmaster account, they're not often used, so I'm not going to cover them here. There are also Facebook and Twitter meta tags, which are way beyond the scope of this course. These tags help Facebook and Twitter understand the pages when page content ends up in those systems. So meta tags can be used for many different purposes, but the real takeaway about meta tags is that although you may see people putting keywords into various other tags for SEO purposes, this is a waste of time. It simply won't do anything for you.